Hello awesome people, we are glad to have you back on this channel once again. And on today's video we are in Awka again, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And we are taking you guys to the Solution Fund City Arena in Awka that is approaching its final stage already. Guys, it is a beautiful day yet again, and we are going to give you a proper view of this facility from the outside to the inside and to the entire parts of this facility, and show you what is truly going on and how far these contractors have come on this construction. Yes, this video today is going to be a very sophisticated one in a way, because we are going to show you this project like we never did before. So just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and I indulge you to do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. So guys, here we are live at the Solution Fund City in Awka that is being constructed by the Anambra State government, talking about the Soludos administration in Anambra State. And this project is going to house a country club. We are going to have a cinema. We are going to have a mini shopping mall, a lodging facility, fun ground and fun equipment, both for children and adults. I mean, there are going to be a lot of facilities within this construction site, not forgetting the volleyball courts, table tennis courts, handball courts, and lots more. So it is going to be a totally full package project that this personal administration is doing in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And by the time this project comes to completion, it is going to attract visitors from far and near, thereby boosting the economy of businesses both within and around this facility. Yes, to be frank with you, people are going to come to this fun city from outside Anambra State and also from within the state. And as we speak at the moment, this is a one of its kind in this region. So it's something to be proud of to an extent. So guys, over here you can see what the major entrance into this facility looks like. And we are going to take you also inside the country club so that you would see the beautiful work that these contractors are doing. And we are talking about the GSS Construction Company and also the ZCC Construction Company. All of these guys are doing a very wonderful work on ground. And if you look at the environment, you will notice that our green plants are all springing up comfortably, even though we are still in the dry season. These plants are gradually springing up firmly on the ground, and by the time this facility would be duly opened, we would have a more befitting environment for both our children and ourselves. So this is what we have right within the Solution Fun City Arena, and I would advise you to make sure you watch this video till the end, because there are lots and lots of goodies you would see on this video. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna promise you guys, you are going to love what you would see within this facility, because it really gives me joy to see that they have actually progressed to this level that they are right now. So over here is within the country club section, and you can see that so much progress have been recorded, even from what it used to be the last time we came here. And I must tell you guys, these contractors are pushing this project to see that they actually finish up right around the speculated time that is given for this project's completion. So all the same, we'll still go inside the country club, and also we would see what the inside looks like already. I believe by the time we go inside, you would understand more of what I am talking about. So before then, we would also love to hear from you. Yes, we would love to hear what you think about this particular project that the Anambra state government is doing in the capital city. What do you think the impact of this project would be to the state at large? Yes, I would love to hear your advices also. We would love to hear your recommendations and your commendations. Whatever it is you would love to share with us about these projects, please, we are open to learn and hear from you at the comment section. And if there are also things that you know about these projects that we don't know about, please do well to share with us on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page together. So if you notice, we just viewed the inside of the country club, and from here we are going to go around so that we will go behind it, and you will also see where they are constructing a swimming pool. Yes, so right behind the country club, we are going to have a standard swimming pool facility that is already approaching completion even as we speak. So stick with us as we go around this facility and see the marvelous work that the Anambra state government is doing in the capital city. And I must tell you guys, this is one of the transformational projects that this administration is delivering, because these are projects that are going to put out the state in a very good limelight. Yes, these projects are going to really give the state at large, including the capital city, a facelift. And that is what we are talking about. So over here, you would also see the swimming pool that I was telling you guys about. And if you look at what is happening or what has happened there already, you would see that they have really come a long way in the construction of this swimming pool. And also the structure, talking about the country club itself, yes, they have really gotten to a very positive milestone already, and that is a very good one. So from here, we'll also take you to where we are going to have the volleyball courts, the handball courts, table tennis courts, and a lot of other courts. So let's proceed to this particular section. So you can see where we are talking about. So it's divided into different sections. You will also see the one that has been almost ready. Yes, and I believe that one is I think that should be the handball court. And then right here we are still going to have a table tennis court, volleyball, and name them. So it's going to be a fun-filled environment. And for sports lovers, yes, for those who love sports, it is also going to get you guys accommodated. So this facility, like I said earlier, is a complete package, both for sports lovers, fun lovers, and relaxation lovers. We are going to have all of you accommodated within one umbrella, and that umbrella is the Solution Fun City Arena. And also, if you look around, you would notice something, and that is the fact that all of the roads within this facility have been asphalted. Yes, all of the roads within this facility have been asphalted. So when we say that this project is approaching completion, we are not joking about it. It's a fact, and you can also see it for yourself. Also from here, we'll also go to the section where we will have the cinema, we'll have the gymnastic, and also other facilities that will be within that section. I believe you are also going to have a mall also within that section. So over here you can notice the recent completed artworks that was done. The last time we came here, they have not done these ones you are seeing now. So it's really beautiful to see that all of these iconic personalities were all drawn right within this facility, including our working governor, Professor Chukuma Charles Soludo. Yes, not exempted from the magnificent drawings that were made here. Also, you would see our legend Chinua Achebe. Yes, he is also not left out from these drawings. So most of the people you would see here are icons, people who have done so very well in various aspects of life. So guys, we are still within the Solution Fun City Arena, and please, I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts, your recommendations and commendations, your advices, whatever it is you would love to share with us. Please do well to do that on the comment section. So in case you have also been part of us up till now, I would advise you to make sure you watch this video till the end, so that you will see a whole lot of projects and achievements that have been done already. So over here you can see the section that would house the cinema, the gymnastics section, and a whole lot of other facilities that we're going to have inside this section. Not forgetting even the mall that would have within this section. So it's going to be a full package facility, just like I've always told you guys. So make sure you watch it to the end. And also towards the fun center, there are a lot of progress that have been recorded at that section also. So I would love you guys to watch it so that you will see the progress that have been also recorded at that section. Do well to enjoy the rest of the video.